Automotive Ethernet was a hidden gem at the Consumer Electronics Show, but it will be much more noticeable at this year's show. It's also something supported by major test and measurement vendors, because not all Ethernet tools will work with the new standards. The standards include IEEE 802.3 BW100BASET1 and IEEE 802.3 BP1000 BASET1. These adopt the 100 Mbs and 1 Gbs Ethernet protocols we have come to know and love. They run over a single twisted pair and can have up to 4 inline connectors, sans the endpoints. There's a trade-off, though the run length is only 15 meters. Still, that's more than enough to handle most automotive and many transportation applications. Automotive Ethernet will replace the media-oriented systems transport most bus found on many vehicles today. It will also compete with systems like Maxim Integrated Products Gigabit Multimedia Serial Link GMSL. Chips and FIS are now readily available for Automotive Ethernet, as are switches. For instance, Marvell's 8-port, 88Q5050 secure network switch supports the 100BSET1 standard, as well as time-sensitive networking TSN. Audio-video bridging AVB ingress policy and rate limiting are part of TSN. The switch also features 802.1Q AVQ-BVQ shaping support for AVB and TSN. The 88Q5050 is compatible with IEEE 802.1 as time synchronization protocols like the Precision Time Protocol PTP, aka IEEE 1588. These timing standards can be found on conventional Ethernet networks, too, but they highlight why the test and measurement tools need to be more sophisticated. Put to the test 1. Tektronix's 8-channel 5 series MSO has a large 15.6 inches capacitive touch display, 12-bit resolution, and bandwidth up to 2 GHz. Tektronix's 8-channel 5 series MSO mixed-signal oscilloscope has a large 15.6 inches capacitive touch display Fig. 1. The scope's 12-bit analog-to-digital converters ADCs can dare up to 16 bits of vertical resolution. Systems are available with a bandwidth from 350 MHz to 2 GHz. The sample rate on all channels is 6.25 samplers. Pricing starts at $12,000. The 5 series MSO systems utilize flex-channel inputs Fig. 2. These combine an analog BNC connector with 8 digital inputs. The combination of inputs employed will depend on the probe that's plugged into the socket. The BNC connector can be used directly for coax inputs as well. The 8-input 5 series MSOs provide up to 64 digital inputs. 2. The flex-channel sockets developed by Tektronix sport 8 digital inputs and 1 high-resolution analog input. The 5 series MSO has 2 option packages for the automotive market. The 5SRA UTO protocol option package addresses standards like CAN, CAN-FD, LIN, and FlexRe. This includes CAN-FD support for non-ISO and ISO versions of the standard. The systems provide complete serial triggering and analysis of these major buses. The 5CMAUTON Automotive Ethernet package targets the Automotive Ethernet standards. An automated compliance solution includes test software that runs while performing physical media attachment PMA transmitter Group 1 electrical measurement compliance tests, as defined by the Open Alliance Special Interest Group 6 standard for Automotive Ethernet. 3. Rode-Schwartz's RTO digital oscilloscopes support Automotive Ethernet testing. The RTO digital oscilloscopes Fig. 3 from Rode-Schwartz are capable of Automotive Ethernet testing. Versions with up to 4 analog channels are available with bandwidths that range from 600 MHz to 6 GHz. The sample rate is 20 samplers with 16-bit vertical resolution. The RTO scopes can be combined with triggering and decoding support for LIN, CAN, CAN-FD, and FlexRe. The RS-RTO K24 compliance test option addresses 100BSET1, while the RTO K87 compliance test option addresses 1000BSET1. 4. Bundled hardware and software solutions from Keysight Technologies address the automotive test and measurement market. Keysight Technologies has bundled hardware and software solutions for the automotive market Fig. 4. The bundles can support automated setup and testing for the transmitters, receivers, and link segments. They're able to handle broad reach that the standards were based on, 100BSET1 and 1000BSET1. This includes end-to-end functional and standards compliance conformance testing support. 5. The 4-channel, 2.5 GHz DSOS254A is part of one of Keysight's automotive bundles. The bundles come with a number of hardware components, such as the DSOS254A oscilloscope Fig. 5. The 44 GHz N9010AX signal analyzer, and the 2-channel 81150A pulsar function arbitrary noise generator. The DSOS254A is a 4-channel, 2.5 GHz scope with a 15 inches touchscreen display. The system operates at 20 samplers using a 10-bit ADC.